What's the differences between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the 5 key differences between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile, then keep on watching. The first key difference is interaction. Your Facebook profile is where you connect with family, friends, and colleagues. You're able to see personal posts and updates from your friends in your newsfeed, as well as share your own photos and posts. Your Facebook profile is for personal use only and shouldn't be used for business in any manner, as it is also against the Facebook policy. A Facebook profile is a personal account assigned to you when you sign up with Facebook. You're only able to create one profile per person, which includes only your personal information, no business information. Facebook uses AI to detect your face. You might realize that when you upload a picture of you and your fellow friends, Facebook will be able to detect all the faces and suggest the names for you to tag. And because Facebook uses AI, you won't be allowed to create another Facebook profile using your face as a profile picture for safety purposes. I was able to do so probably about 10 years ago, and this is a screenshot of my old account that still exists. But please bear in mind that Facebook no longer allows people to do so. Facebook page, on the other hand, is for business interaction purposes. You must have a profile in order to create a page or help manage one. Pages are places on Facebook where artists, public figures, businesses, brands, and organizations use to connect with their fans and customers. When someone likes or follows a page on Facebook, they can start seeing updates from the page in their newsfeed. Second, the number of followers. The maximum amount of followers you can have on a Facebook profile is 5,000 and nothing more, whereas a Facebook page allows you to have unlimited amount of fans. Robert Kiyosaki has about 5.6 million followers on his Facebook. You might now notice, why do the number of likes and follows differ? A like is a person who has chosen to attach their name to your page as a fan. A follower is a person who has chosen to receive the updates that you post in their newsfeed. The two are independent. A liker or a fan can choose to unfollow. For instance, your mom could like your page just because it's your page, but choose to unfollow because she doesn't really care about what you're posting. Similarly, someone could choose to follow a page and get the post because they want the content, but for whatever reason, they do not want their name associated publicly with the page. When someone likes your page, they automatically follow as well. It is the default setting of Facebook. It is a choice to follow or unfollow without liking. Likes and followers are equally important, but I guess if I had to choose one, I would say followers are more important because they are at least have the potential to see your content, whereas those who have chosen to unfollow, they chosen not to. Third, ability to schedule a post. Since Facebook profile is for you to connect with your family and friends and not for business purposes, so it clearly does not have the scheduling post function. Facebook page, on the other hand, allows you to schedule posts, which is absolutely convenient for you to pre-plan your content ahead. One practice I usually do is to pre-schedule content 1 month ahead. It's November now, meaning by October I should have had my entire November content scheduled. This allows you to be consistent, since consistency is one of the key factors to a business success. Nance Daily used to take one video every single day for 1 minute and post on Facebook. He never missed a day. It took him about 600 videos in order to beat the Facebook algorithm. That's why being consistent is the key. Fourth, advertisement. You can't do any source of advertisement using a profile because, again, it is not meant for business purposes. However, a Facebook page will allow you to do so. If you're using Facebook for business purposes, it is highly recommended to create a Facebook page. Facebook is the social media platform with the most active users. About 2.6 billion users are on Facebook worldwide daily. So if you are not making use of the advertisement tools, you are missing out big times and missing out tons and tons of money. You can check out more in depth about social marketing in this video after watching this. Lastly, reach. The reach on Facebook profile is 100% organic, since you aren't allowed to do any source of advertisement. But page is a combination of paid and organic. I'm not sure how many of you realize this, but when you're starting out, whenever you post a content on your profile, you tend to get more engagement compared to a page. You should totally try it out so that you can get what I mean. Page somehow reaches fewer people because Facebook knows that you can promote on a page. Facebook is technically telling you that if you want to reach more people, you should do advertisement, and it sort of forces you to do so. You can see that my reach on my page is only about 100 over and way lesser engagement than my profile. I hope these 5 tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.